Hello traders, today I'm going to teach you the Ichimoku trading cloud strategy for scalping, and today we are going to beat the market with this a simple method. And before I start this video, if you want to join the best broker that I personally use, the link is given in the description of this video below. They offer a variety of trading accounts from standard cent, standard, raw spread, zero and the pro account. The link is given in the description of this video. So guys, we will make this indicator completely ready. You can trade any time frame, you can trade any type of market, forex, crypto and the stock market, right? Okay, so I'm going to use the simple indicator which is Ichimoku cloud. Okay, so if I click this one, so it has a basic look like this. Okay, the second indicator that I will be using today is this squeeze momentum indicator by Lazy Bear. Okay, so you can see 81,165 traders are using this indicator. Okay, now we are moving towards the settings because settings are the important part of this strategy, because as I know generally that many of the traders get confused by just looking at first time on the Ichimoku, and it looks like that it is very complicated for them and they cannot trade this one. So this is not the concept here, because as I have mentioned on the thumbnail of this video that this is the easiest strategy of the Ichimoku, so you are going to take the benefit from it. So if I go to the settings of the Ichimoku cloud indicator, then you can see we have a lot of options checked in here. So I'm just giving you a simple solution. Uncheck the first three one. Okay, the first three one, uncheck them and just give a color to the leading span like green, and then give a better color like span B that should be red. Okay, now you can see if I click OK, then you will see now the strategy become very simple, and all of the things that were confusing you have gone. Okay, now let me talk about the general concept of using the Ichimoku indicator. So as you can see that we have a cloud and we have two type of lines on the Ichimoku indicator, the green line and the red line, and the middle space in between these two lines become a cloud. Okay, so you don't have to worry about it. So just keep this thing in your mind that if the candles are above the cloud, then it means that this is the uptrend, and when the candles are down the cloud, so for example let me see any chart where we are into the downtrend. Look at AUDJPY. We are below the cloud, it means that we are into the downward trend. Okay, that's as simple as it is, and I have told you you can use any type of time frame. This is not a time frame dependent strategy. Okay, now let's talk about the entry rules. The entry rules are very clear and simple. If you see the green line cross the red line and it is coming downward, and you have also received a sell signal from the squeeze momentum indicator, if it is pointed into the red color, you can definitely take your entry. So for example, if I go and take the entry from here, so this becomes our entry, because here the squeeze momentum was also red and here also red, so you can take your entry from here. Okay, and below the cloud you need to ignore the buy signals from the squeeze momentum. Okay, if you look at this trade, then you were easily able to catch 5.75 ratio by trading this one. Okay, oh, let me find some better pair so that we can understand. Okay, now let's talk about the buy position. So for example, here the candle closes above the cloud and the squeeze momentum was into the green color. That was very good. You can set up a stop loss at the previous low of the market, and let's calculate how much you benefit from this trade. So actually we were able to catch 3.59 ratio on this trade. Okay, ignore this red signal from the squeeze momentum when you are above the cloud. Okay, then again we have received the cloud become the green from here, from this candle. Let me go here. Okay, from this candle the cloud again become green, and you can use this one again, and then you can see 1.47 ratio, and still it's working on. Okay, so this is how you can benefit from the cloud. Okay, so this indicator is very good, because if we talk about the developers who are developing the indicator, most of the coding behind is dependent on the Ichimoku cloud, and because it gives you easy signals. Okay, look at this one here. We the red was up, green was down, so valid sell signal signal. Okay, so from here we have received a sell signal properly. You can set up a stop loss like this, and you have targeted something like 2.46, and ignore this buy one, and then you can see again the market was down. So guys, make this indicator part of your trading, because this indicator is very special. And as I have mentioned you, developers use this strategy for developing their indicators on MQL4 MetaTrader platform. So you can use this indicator. This is very clear and simple indicator. However, if we go for the general look, it looks complicated, but the method that I have told you right now, this is the easiest one, and you can follow this one. So guys, what do you think about this strategy? Please let me know into the comment section. Moreover, please subscribe FX Mentor US and like these videos, and subscribe the channel and share these videos with everyone. Thank you very much for watching this video.